Hello, welcome back in my next video. In this video I'm going to build really quick and simple but useful project. So just after putting the glasses and the ear defenders, I am going to cut the board what is 20 centimeter by 20 millimeters, I think, so 20 centimeter by 2 centimeters, and I'm cutting that to the four lengths. One will be the long one, what is the back wall, and three shorts, what will be the sides of the box. All four walls are cut now, so I just putting that together roughly to give me the measurements what I need for the bottom. After all the measurements taken, I am just transfer the length to the board because the width will be this same, and I am cutting the bottom to the size. Dry fit, and that's of course it's perfect. And that is the time where it's going to be joined everything, and for that purpose I am using the drill, just drilling the hole, then second and later on the rest of them really. But before I going to drill rest of the holes, I need to join two of them, so I just apply the glue, of course, as a proper woodworking. And after I apply the glue properly with the finger, I am just taking nails, putting into the pre-drilled holes, and grab the hammer and drive them home. I am doing all the joinery on this project this way, so it's really woodworky way. As for the proper hobbyist, it's quick project and should be easy project as well, so that is the easy joinery involved into it. So it's time for to install the bottom, and of course that will be installed exactly this same with glue and nails, so that should be strong enough for the purpose of that build. And after showing the beautiful result of the joinery, it's time to put the proper finish on it, so I'm just going to burn it. And when the burning is complete, off the camera I brushed it off and put it one coat of clear varnish just to protect the hands to get dirty from the burning basically. And now it's the time to install like hardware, was basically a bottle opener from I believe so, from Amazon somewhere. I don't know, I bought it that so time ago and was laying around somewhere in the house. So when I found it, that was the idea. I'm going to build this project. And after the hardware it's installed, of course, that is the uh, project completed. And that was simple and video to showing you can build something simple way and still be useful and just enjoy it when you use it and be proud of it. You build it by yourself. So thank you very much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you like it and what you think about it. And yeah, see you in the next videos. Bye now.